Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital assets to help you navigate the blockchain world with ease. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDC from Gemini to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your stablecoins between exchanges for better rates or security, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Uphold, and that you have a balance of USDC in your Gemini wallet. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to your USDC balance under the Assets or Wallets section. Here, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there for easy access. Next, hop over to your Uphold account. Go to your USDC wallet and find the deposit address. Uphold might ask you to select the network, like Ethereum, since USDC is often on the ETH blockchain. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Now, back in Gemini, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer, but keep an eye on any fees. Gemini might charge a small network fee, which could vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review all the details: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transaction. You'll probably need to verify it with two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit tight. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. And just like that, your USDC should appear in your Uphold wallet. Always check your transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure everything went smoothly. Pro tip: if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.